The throttle body of the Nissan HR12 engine plays a vital role in the operation and performance of the vehicle. It is a key component of the air intake system and is responsible for regulating the amount of air that flows into the engine, which is critical for the air-fuel mixture required for combustion. The HR12 engine, a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder engine commonly found in models like the Nissan Micra, March, Note, and other compact vehicles, uses an electronically controlled throttle body system. This system, often referred to as drive-by-wire, replaces the traditional cable-operated throttle with an electronically controlled motor that opens and closes the throttle valve based on signals from the engine control unit, ECU, and the accelerator pedal position sensor. This advanced design allows for more precise control over engine performance, improving fuel efficiency, emissions control, and overall drivability. The electronic throttle body also enables features such as idle control and cruise control without the need for additional mechanical components. However, like any component exposed to airflow, the throttle body can accumulate carbon deposits and dirt over time, especially around the throttle plate and inside the bore. This buildup can lead to several performance issues such as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, reduced fuel economy, and even stalling in severe cases. Therefore, periodic maintenance, such as cleaning the throttle body and checking for sensor faults, is essential to keep the HR12 engine running smoothly. Proper care and timely servicing of the throttle body can extend the engine